Hi, and welcome to ePublishing Pro. In this video, we're going to basically get introduced to the Kindle. We're going to talk about why this is probably the best place to start, why you should get started here, and why Amazon and Kindle and this platform is really great for publishing your content. And we'll get into why people buy on Kindle. We'll get on ways to get content. This training, we're basically going to touch on ebooks. Okay, we're going to talk about ebooks, fiction, nonfiction. We've talked about how to create digital content in the past and just upload it to your own members area. This training will be specifically for e-publishing, and specifically, even more specifically, for publishing to the Kindle. So let's go ahead and get started. So why do people buy the Kindle? Okay, well, there's a few reasons, and I'll take you through the website and kind of give you a quick demo of the Kindle and what it is if you're not too familiar with it. But basically what the Kindle does is it creates a portable library. Okay, so it's like an iPod, except you can carry around digital content and read. Okay, the screen's big enough for you to read. You can see the content. They have different types of screens on the Kindles. Some are Paperwhite, some are high definition. The Kindle is a direct competitor to the iPad. Kindle is Amazon's WhisperNet. Makes adding books and documents very, very simple. It's very easy to add books and documents to the Kindle. It's very easy, once you have a Kindle, to download books and documents to read. Kindle screens can be read easily anywhere, just like the iPad. Kindles are now more affordable than ever. So Kindle directly competes with the iPad. You can actually get the new Kindle HD for about half the price of an iPad of a similar size. So Kindles are very popular. Okay, there's a lot of people with loyalty to Apple. They buy iPad only, but then there's a huge market for Kindle, and there's some other. You've probably seen commercials. Samsung has their version. Barnes and Noble has their Nook. So there's all kinds of different tablets. Kindle is just the one that was kind of there first when it came to publishing specifically for ebooks. And now tons of books are available on Amazon's Kindle store. Okay, so Amazon, just like iTunes, has their own store for music and other content. Amazon has their Kindle store where you can go and download pretty much any book that you want. Okay, any book that's been digitalized. So it's really, really, really cool. And we're going to talk about how to publish on Kindle and why you want to do that. So Kindle is growing worldwide in their usage. Okay, lots of people use Kindle. So Kindle's a great place not only to reach this audience, but also to find new leads and customers. So what you can do is you can include information about your services in your content. And you can give special offers when downloading. Okay, so there's ways when you publish to give special offers, to give more information. And really, getting published is very fast and very easy. It's not hard to get published on Kindle. So it's just a great way to get new leads, to build an audience, to continue to build a relationship with an existing audience. And then on top of everything else, you can earn royalties once published on Kindle with the help of Amazon. Okay, so it's kind of a perk to publishing. So we really like Kindle. So if this is something that you'd be interested in learning more about, continue through this training, and we're going to dive right in, and we're going to talk about Kindle for business. We're going to talk about different strategies for creating your content. We're going to talk about publishing your content. We're going to talk about marketing your content and really just monetizing the content. So look forward to seeing you in the rest of these videos, and I'll see you soon.